Hey there, how's it going? I have a message I need to share. I look like a wet dog because I have the deepest messages come through in the shower and I have to get them out. So the message for this time is to disassemble. I attended a ceremony yesterday with Keone of Pohala Botanicals. And he speaks on this different star lineages and different knowledge. The energy from this most recent new moon is, I feel like we're kind of in a portal at this time until the next new moon. There's a cycle that's just begun. Anyways, this message is that we have to disassemble. And that means to confront the void, to confront death, and in a way begin to bring song to it. In a way that we can bring ourselves back into harmony is one way to put it. And a phrase that it reminded me of is memento mori. And this is kind of recognizing that every moment is our last, that there is a sentiment to the fleeting moment. In the times that we are living with our phones, with technology, with the environment, with culture, society, social media, the ways that we're interacting with each other, all of this there's a disassembly that needs to happen on every layer of how we are living. And that's why it is this confrontation with death, that we're not meant to be in these bodies for eternity. There is an eternal nature of who we really are. And this is to know that you die before you die, or that there is a final death, that the body has to decay. And it's like when we embrace death, we see more life. And it's not, okay, I scratch that, not more life, but we see that we are alive, we are living, we are organic. This kind of artificial, organic kind of tug of war that we're experiencing is disassembling us as well. So it's like the disassembly is happening no matter what. So, and I had a very deep emotional experience around, and it really did feel like falling apart. That you have to completely disassemble yourself in order to be kind of put back together. Or like the story of Osiris, that was what I was intuiting, is that kind of, and it's like the way we sacrifice, all the rituals, all the routines, all these things that bound us to time. Time is a very important aspect of this message as well, because we are realizing, how much time do you spend, money and time. Keeping us locked in time is what we need to disassemble. The state of timelessness is, you can approach this state of being in the nothing, in the whatever you want to insert there, the void. When we attune our mind, heart, body, the frequency of our body to the nothing, to whatever, when we confront things and we learn to attune our frequency or our body or our mind in a way that is not due to the external environment. The information that's being inundated, I don't know if I don't know what that word is right now, but that's what's coming through. It's imbued. That's one way to put it. It's like all of this information is being imbued to us on such extreme levels that we've never experienced before. And yet this is creating a deeper paradox. And paradox is also a huge part of this as well, is can you withstand the polarity? Can you become the original intent in which you are here to be? The ways in which we begin to move through the experience of reality, through the experience of living with Earth, through the experience of being a human and remembering our humanity. All of the paradoxes that we are confronted with are creating the current in which we, kind of need to move through it. Recognize that there is a middle path between all of the division, more of a unifying field, a unifying consciousness. This is what we are really moving into, and this is where it takes the practice and the knowledge to bring forth the information that we need for ourselves, like the information of our storyline, our mission, or a part of our purpose, in which is the guiding force in which we can tune into, not a guiding force that is causing distraction. See? So I think that was it. So thank you for listening to this message, and much love.